First word or slang on my list is gonna be baby. No, I know that just sounds like you're letting out air from a tire, but really that means something in Jamaica. No, when a man says that to a lady on the roadside or wherever, it just basically means you're trying to get their attention, like psst, you know, just that sound will get the person looking like, who's that, you know? So when you say that, it's like to get the person attention, then you're like, baby. They don't have to be your boyfriend in order to call you baby. They don't care. As long as you look attractive to them, they're like, baby, and they give you a compliment, and that's it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What's up, family? Sir Boss TV is back with another BBC reaction. Today, we're gonna react to pickup lines that Jamaican men use. Top Jamaican pickup lines by Nyaka World. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce her name, but yeah, this lovely Jamaican woman. We're about to react to her video. Now, let's get into it.
I prepared 10 slangs for you guys. If you want more, I'm willing to do a part 2, but for now, we're gonna do 10. All right? Yeah. So the first word or slang on my list is gonna be baby. No, I know that just sounds like you're letting out air from a tire, but really that means something in Jamaica. No, when a man says that to a lady on the roadside or wherever, it just basically means you're trying to get their attention, like psst, you know, just that sound will get the person looking like, who's that, you know? So when you say that, it's like to get the person attention, then you're like, baby. They don't have to be your boyfriend in order to call you baby. They don't care. As long as you look attractive to them, they're like, baby, and they give you a compliment, and that's it. So psst.
When a Jamaican man sees you on the road and he wants to get your attention, he will say psst, baby, or psst, just to get your attention. However, I find that most women don't like that psst sound. They don't like it. They find it very disrespectful, as she'll explain further in the video. But for Jamaican men, I remember my uncle. I asked him one time, why do you always psst at women? He's like, well, I don't care. I don't know her name. I'm only trying to get her attention. And I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. I mean, how else am I yeah, he said basically, how else is he supposed to get the young lady's attention? He does not know her name. And I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. In Jamaica, it's not so bad. But in other parts of the world, when you psst a young woman, nah, they'll find that disrespectful. Let's get back into the video.
So trying to get your attention for you to stop walking so that they can get to talk to you. Even though some females find it very disrespectful when you do that to them, but majority of them, they don't really say anything. Second one is, me I go wire no baby. So basically, after they stop you, get your attention for you to stop, second thing that you're gonna say to her, I forgot to say a man me I talk to. I forgot that I'm talking to the men. I'm talking to the men. All right. So first, after you stop her by saying psst, baby, then this is what you're gonna say after you stop her, right? Me I go want you, no baby. Me I go want you, baby, basically means I'm gonna want you. I'm gonna want you to be in my life. I'm gonna want you to be my girl. I want to get to know you a little bit better. That's basically what that means, you know? So after you get her attention, you tell her exactly what your intentions are. Following? Yeah. You can even say to her, me if you fill out your application, you know, babes. You always...
Now, one thing about Jamaican men, we're very straightforward. If we like you, we're gonna get straight to the point. We're not gonna beat around the bush, right? We're gonna get straight to it. We are straight shooters. Jamaican men are straight shooters. We like to get to the point and make our intentions known from the beginning. But it's just the confidence of Jamaican men why we like to make our intentions known from the start. You know, we're not time wasters, and we're not gonna string on a lovely young lady that we're interested in. If we like her, we're gonna make our intentions known from the gate. Which rightly so, because you want to weed out, as a man, it doesn't matter what ethnicity you are, as a man you want to weed out who likes you from who doesn't like you. And yeah, I endorse this. Just make your intentions known from the get-go. Let's get back in the video.
Baby or the babes, you can't leave it out because it's just gonna sound like your sentence is incomplete. So you have to say, me I go want to fill out the application, baby, or me I go want to fill out the application, babes. What me want to fill out the application basically mean is, like, we in Jamaica, we always say guys are full of lyrics. We call it lyrics when they try to, like, some country they would say you're trying to toast the girl or you're trying to get her, so you try to tell her the most sweet words that you can ever.
So basically what she's saying is, you know, Jamaican men got lyrics, meaning that Jamaican men got chat up lines. Because I live in the UK, we say chat up. You know, we want to chat up. You know, we chat up a nice bird or a nice gash or whatever you call females these days in the UK. But basically, Jamaican men, when they say Jamaican men got lyrics, means that we got chat up lines. A Jamaican man has so many chat up lines, he could make an entire song. Yeah, that's for real, yeah. We could make up an entire chat up line from just the inspiration of seeing a young woman, a lovely young woman that we're interested in. And then we just, off the top of our head, come up with a lyric, i.e. a chat up line to spark her interest. But let's get back into the video.
With it, so they will say, oh, I'm if you fill out the application, baby. So you know, when you go to find a job, right, you fill out the application form in order to find a job. Then the employer would look at it and say, oh yeah, this is the one that we're going to choose. So basically, when they say want to fill out the application, it means like, oh, they want to fill out the application in order to get into your life. That's basically what that means, if I have to translate it to English so that you can understand. If the girl says she already has a boyfriend, this is gonna be your response. I run if I run with a waste man there, you know. That's what you say. So when you tell the girl that, oh, you run if I run with a waste man there, it means like, leave your boyfriend and come to me. Point blank. That's basically what it is. So he's trying to tell you like, hey, I'm better than your man, so leave your man alone and come to me. Yeah, that's why I tell you, they are straight up like that. If they like you or they are interested in you, they're gonna tell you every sweet little thing that your little heart wants to hear. Believe me, believe me. But guess what? I the man them me I talk about. So if you really want that girl and you really, you know, want to communicate to her in her own language, if she's a Jamaican girl, you have to make sure that you come with all the lyrics, so that, you know, when you say to her that, oh, I run if I run with a waist, and then, you know, you see she starts smile like yeah, then you know your lyrics are reaching to her, right? So that means you're doing a good thing. After you get her smiling, this is what you're gonna say to her. You're not tired? Cause a whole day you run through my mind, you know, baby girl. And she's gonna be like, oh, really? You're asking her if she's tired. If she's not tired, because she has been running through your mind all day. You have been thinking about her all day, and you might be wondering, okay, it's the first time I'm meeting her, so how come I'm thinking about her all day? They don't care. That's what they want. If that's what they have to tell the girl for her to think that everything is good and they can get her, that's what they're going to tell the girl. Okay? Yeah. As I said, you have to find all the sweetest words that you can ever find for her to start smiling with you and start blushing. Yeah. On to the next one.
And I think that's one of the lost arts nowadays. I mean, I don't know about Jamaican men, you know, the Gen Z Jamaican men. Those are the ones I'm talking about. But I'm a millennial. I was born in the 1980s. The Gen X's and the millennials, they're the ones that like to use lyrics against women. I'm not too sure about the Gen Z Jamaican men, but if you're a Gen Z Jamaican man and you use these type of lyrics to get women, comment down below. Anyway,
you get this girl to stop and you're talking to her now, and then you ask her for her number and she's like, no, I don't want to give you my number because I have a boyfriend already and I'm very serious about my boyfriend, so no, I'm sorry. What you could say to her in response to that would be, okay, if you don't want to give me, oh my gosh, I'm saying it in English. Okay, this is what you would say in Patois. All right, give me your boyfriend number then. Like, oh, you don't want to give me your number, give me your boyfriend number so I can call him. Oh my gosh, why am I saying this in English? All right, let's go back. Repeat. If you don't want to give me a number, then give me your boyfriend number so we can call him and find out which number I play in a cash pot today. Come on, know why I'm so lucky. Mic drop. And believe you me, even if she's not like too, even if she's serious with her boyfriend, believe me, you might still get her number after saying that line. Yeah. So that what that means is, you're asking her for a number, she says no because she has a boyfriend. So you're still trying to get her, right? So what you're telling her is basically, okay, if you don't want to give me your number, then give me your boyfriend number so that I can call him to find out how come he's so lucky and he needs to give me the number for the cash pot. Cash pot in Jamaica is like a lottery. So you're basically telling the boyfriend that he's so lucky to have a girl like this, so he must know the winning numbers to the lottery. If you ask me where these guys come up with these slangs, man, I don't know. Another one would be like, say for instance, you're dating a Jamaican girl now. If you're already dating a Jamaican girl and you want to talk to her in her language so that she can feel more connected to you, or you just want to impress her a little bit more, you can just say to her one day, hold her hand and say, hey baby, I love you like cook food, That's a nice one. So basically what that means is you're telling her that you love her like food, like, a nice home cooked meal that your mom would make, and you just love and enjoy that meal so much. That's basically what you're telling her. I love you like, oh, I love how this home cooked meal tastes so good. Yeah. And it doesn't have to do with anything eating wise. You're just telling her that you love her, like, oh, you're just comparing her to your favorite meal. That doesn't sound right.
Wipe on that, brother.
Another one is like, if they see you on the roadside, they would call to you and they said to you like, hey baby, buck your toe and drop in on my life, no? Yo!
to be honest, I need to steal this one. This one, boy, very creative. Buck your toe and fall in my life, or drop in on my life. Boy, I need to steal this pickup line. Jamaican men are very creative when it comes to pickup lines. Lyrics, as they call it. I need to thief this one and put it in my logbook. Yeah, definitely. When I go to Jamaica, I'm going to use this. Even when I'm here, I'm going to use it. I live in the UK, by the way. But yeah, I'm going to use this pickup line.
I heard that one personally, but if I ever hear that one, yo, that guy would have me laughing. I would just be laughing. Like, I would say to him like, bro, where did you get these lines from, bro? But that basically means, when you would slip and fall. So basically he's saying that, can you just slip and fall right into my life, baby? Yo! Oh my gosh. Baby, your skin clean like don't spit in the book. Yo, I know all the Jamaicans who are watching right now, I know you must be laughing, man, because that slang basically means like, a kid at school who's not the brightest in class, when they come home, they don't have anything written in their book. So what he's saying is that the girl's skin is clean. It doesn't have any pimples, no eczema, no acne, no nothing on her skin. Her skin is just flawless. So he's like, your skin is so clean, like how a kid, a dunce would be like a, oh, how would I call a dunce now? A dunce person would be a person who is not very educated. So we call them dunce in Jamaica. But when you say a dunce child, it would be like a child who's not really performing well in school. So their book is always empty. So it's like your skin is clean, like how a dunce person's book would be clean in school. You get what I mean? Yeah. Baby girl, your body round like you swallow a circle. Yo! So basically what that is,
where they get these lines from, man?
Your body is so round. You know, like how they say you're shaped like an hourglass type of shape? Yeah, you know those girls who shape so nice? So they're like, you shape so round, like you swallow a circle.
That's creative.
I cannot. You're so round like you swallow a circle. Oh my gosh. And then only a Jamaican girl would really understand in details what they really mean. Because if you're not Jamaican, you wouldn't get it, right? So that's why these pickup lines are for you to get the Jamaican girls. So I'm letting you in on all those secrets, all right? Yeah. And girls, don't be mad at me. Let me just equip them with the information that they need so that they can do it right. You know what I mean? Yeah. The last one for today is, would I climb a maca tree for your baby? That's a very popular one. That's when you have a girl.
Yeah, basically this line, me would I climb a maca tree naked for you, baby. Buju Banton made a song called Have to Get You Tonight, right? Whereby he said, for you I'll climb a maca tree naked, meaning that I'll climb a tree of thorn, meaning that I'll climb a thorn, I can't say it. Meaning that I'll climb a tree of thorns naked for you, baby. Yeah, that's what it means. I mean, that pickup line has been around for like 30 years, maybe longer. But the first time I heard that line was Buju Banton in his song Have to Get You. That song is like 30 years old. It's classic. But this is also a classic pickup line as well. Fellas, use pickup lines on women. The cheesier the pickup line, the better. It gives her a positive reaction sometimes. Like, you want to spark curiosity, you know. And women are going to say, yeah, it's cheesy. But you can say it to her, yeah, but it got you curious, didn't it?
You would climb a maca tree. A maca tree is like thorns. So if you're willing to climb a tree full of thorns, then that means you really love her. So you're telling her, I would have climbed a maca tree for you because I love you so much, baby girl. Yeah. So this is the ending of the video.
So we've come to the end of the video. I've enjoyed the video. I enjoyed every moment reacting to this video, and I hope you did too. But make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave your comments down below. Right? And yeah, these are the top pickup lines that Jamaican men use. There are other pickup lines, but these are the top pickup lines that Jamaican men use to spark a woman's interest. This has been Sirbus TV. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Till then, I'm out.